We're just coming off an epic adventure, and we thought today maybe we'd relax a bit, maybe camp beside a lake or something like that. But then we said, you know what? We hardly get this chance. We got to do something epic again. So we find ourselves at the Hermit Trail.
With plenty of time.
Yeah. And we're just gonna do another grueling hike way up to the glaciers.
It isn't so bad.
And camp for a night. It's really tempting to go further up the ridge, maybe to another peak, but the weather is just so bad right now. Play this fun by ear. I changed my objective. The peak up there looks incredible. I want to try to get a closer vantage. Well, my little evening stroll has led me to the ridge line of this formidable peak called Mount Tupper. And it's pretty much superhero status to go much further. But I'm gonna go to that little summit on the ridge before it gets crazy. And back in time before sunset, because my camp is way down there in the valley with my little brother tucked away in a sleeping bag, wondering why I haven't brought back filtered water for 2 hours.